Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can make your Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus louder. So there is two ways for it, by the settings app and by the application. We'll start from the first way. So open the settings, then go to the sounds and vibration and look for the sound quality and effects. Now just tap on it and choose the equalizer. Now check which one is the loudest one and leave it selected. You can also check that you have a limit. To do it, just open the volume, tap on this three-dot icon, choose the medium volume limit, and if you have any limit, just switch it off. And this is the first method, but if that way it's not enough for you, so you can also try to download a volume booster speaker app. So there you have a name of this application, so we have to launch it now. Click 3 times no thank you, and close the window. Now tap on the OK, and how you can see, now you can increase and decrease the volume speaker booster by this little slider. If you want to turn it off, just tap on the stop service, click OK, and that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.